The best thing that ever happened to me was hitting rock bottom. You see, I think that every young man should fail and have his heart broken at an early age. The reason why I say that is because I thought I knew it all. I thought I was smarter than everyone. I thought that I had life figured out. You know, and when great thinking men like Socrates says, all I know is that I know nothing. One of the brightest minds in the history of the world at his deathbed is saying comments like that, and I thought I knew it all. No, I didn't. I realize that now. So by hitting rock bottom at a young age, and the reason why I emphasize young age is because you have time to rebuild. You know, don't hit rock bottom when you're 75 years old and retiring. That's not the right time to hit rock bottom. I was able to lick my wounds, heal myself, sharpen the tools that I use in my craft, become better, give more. I was able to utilize this as a strength to put my life in a better position. Have your heart broken, fail in business. Those are the keys to success.